Big boy, big talk. If you ain't no big boss, then what you?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's probably been a while for you guys, but today I'm just doing a get ready with me because I'm about to go out. And I'm gonna talk a little bit about this hair that I just installed yesterday. And yeah, let's get into the video. So like the highlighted wigs have been like popular, so I just figured to buy one. And initially when I first installed it, I did not like it, but it's growing on me now. Like I had parted it in an area and there was just like mad like flyaways, like a thick piece of like flyaways, and that really rubbed me the wrong way. I was like, yo, this hair is not it. But then like I styled it and it started to grow on me. So I'm going to style my hair first and then I'm gonna do my makeup. Pretty much. It's my brush. All the details on this hair will be in the description box as well. And another thing, when I first got this hair, Alexa, turn off. When I first got this hair, like the highlights was just like blunt. So I went in with my bleach when I went to bleach the knots and fix that. It wasn't really hard, but like that's kind of inconsiderate because it just looks bad like that. I'm about to go to the mall. Actually, I'm going to the mall in Jersey. If you didn't know, I live in New York, so I'm about to go to that mall in Jersey because none of the malls in New York are open right now. And yeah. I'm getting my tattoo tomorrow. I'm gonna post this video later tonight. Let me know if you guys want me to record me getting a tattoo. It's not my first tattoo, but still. This hair kind of sheds, but it's nothing major.
She used to be the one that I can lean on, I was down and out. Used to be the one that I can call on, I was in and out. Used to be the one that I can count on, she was down and right. Black work, black work, black work, black work, black work, black work.
Boy beats. Block work, baby.
I already know I probably have to fly it in the back of my head, but I can't really see it. Let's see. That's why I don't like flat ironing my hair. Now I'm gonna work on my makeup. So like, y'all probably, I know I'm not the only one that probably does this, but lately I've been using eyeshadow powder for my brows. It just looks way natural. I'm gonna moisturize my face first. I'm gonna take this YSL Hydration Glow The only reason why I bought this was because I have the Elf one. It's the Glow Radiant Moisturizer. This one and this one, like, will have you looking, your skin, your natural skin will look right. Like, that's why I bought this. So I thought because this one was more expensive, it's why it's sell of higher quality, that it would be the same. And I like the Elf one better. This one I wear underneath my makeup. But the Elf one, if I don't want to wear any makeup, that's the one I'm putting on. See, and then with this, I feel like I don't even really have to conceal them. Like, if I was to wear no makeup, I would just wear my brows like this. Because it deadass looks natural. Now on to the concealer. I wanted to try something new. Since it's summertime and hot, like instead of putting concealer, I was thinking about just like putting a lighter foundation here in my foundation color here and just blending that in and then setting it. But I think I'm gonna do that today. Actually. There goes that. I'm gonna take some Airspun setting powder. Set my brows since those are powder. And I'm gonna take some Stay Matte but not flat powder to set the rest of my face. I'm gonna bring my sunglasses with me. Or these. And to top it off with some lip gloss, I'm taking, I like any kind of lip plumping lip gloss, to be honest. This is the Wet n Wild one, but they sell some at Victoria's Secret for cheap. This is clear. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of color. This is bare minerals. Just gonna add some pink to that. And that is the, y'all hear this buzz? This is why. But that is the finished look. Debating if I want to add a highlight or not. I think I'm add some highlight. My favorite one so far is the Maybelline Master Chrome. Don't judge me, but my highlight broke. But it's this one, the white one. And you're probably thinking like, oh, I'm black, I can't wear this. But it adds like a, I don't know, it just does something, like, especially in the sun. It's a different type of glow. And that is pretty much it. And the perfume I'm gonna use is Hypnotic Poison by Dior, because it smells so good. And that is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.